Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two fantastic cameras from Canon, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Canon EOS R7. We'll dive into the features, capabilities, and overall performance of these cameras to help you decide which one best suits your needs. But before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's start by comparing the prices of these cameras. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E is priced at $899, while the Canon EOS R7 comes at a slightly higher price point of $1,499. Both cameras offer exceptional features, but keep in mind that the Canon EOS R7 comes with some advanced capabilities that may justify the price difference for some users. When it comes to image quality, both the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Canon EOS R7 deliver outstanding results. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor with ISO 125,600, H. 51,200. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 sports Canon's 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring images appear crisp and vibrant. No matter which camera you choose, you can expect stunning image quality for your photographs. If you're into videography, both of these cameras have a lot to offer. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E supports 4K UHD *24p and HD 120p * for slow-motion videos. It also comes with a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, perfect for vlogging and exploring various composition angles. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 is equipped with the powerful Digic X image processor, allowing for ultra-high-definition videos. Additionally, it offers high-speed continuous shooting at up to 15 FPS, perfect for capturing fast-paced action and sporting events. Both cameras come with a range of additional features that enhance the user experience. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E offers improved dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection AF, making it easy to achieve sharp focus in both stills and videos. It also has high-quality webcam capability using the free EOS Webcam Utility software or clean HDMI output. The Canon EOS R7, on the other hand, includes 5-axis image stabilization for shake-free shots and a vibrant LED screen for clear image previewing. It's also compatible with a wide range of lenses using EFS, EF, RF, and the new RFS mounts. And that's a wrap for our Canon EOS M50 Mark E versus Canon EOS R7 comparison. Both cameras have their unique strengths, and your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.